So here we are. This is my experiment for L9LA, I think, or no, L9S. So my hypothesis was that I was going to throw several different models of airplanes to see which ones, which one was the best and which one flew the farthest, and which model was essentially the alpha. So my hypothesis was that I was going to, the most aerodynamic one was going to fly the furthest, just because aerodynamics play a big part in real life aviation. And even though these are just paper airplanes, I just thought that aerodynamics were going to be very, very important to this test. So here's the three different planes. This one's a very generic type of airplane, just the ones that just pretty much everyone knows how to make. They're very simple. This one, which is a dart type airplane, it is the most aerodynamic one and the one that I think will win, although I don't know. Then the next one is this boxy thing, which is a weird model, but my dad seems to think that it'll fly the farthest. I don't think so, but anyways, let's get started. So I'm first going to start off with the generic type of airplane, just because it's very basic, and so yeah. There's the first throw. This is the boxy one. And then this is the aerodynamic one. So I don't know what to make of this. They are pretty much all the same. Maybe I didn't throw them right, but the generic one did a little bit of a turn towards the chair. The aerodynamic one.
In other experiments, the aerodynamic one actually flew the furthest.
Yeah, exactly. I was pretty sure that this would have done it, but I guess my throw wasn't good enough. And then the boxy one flew pretty much at the same place as this, but it definitely dived really quickly. I guess I should try again, maybe. So once again, starting off with the generic one right here. That was a definitely better throw. The dart. Maybe the tip is broken.
Oh wow, that one really went far.
I threw upwards.
So that time, the boxy one. So would you say that it's all in how you throw it too?
Definitely. Because on some airplanes that you make, small force is better than on other airplanes like the Dart here.
Where did that other one go?
Right over there.
Way over there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it really went far.
Like I said, it likes to turn. It likes to turn a lot.
Very good. Interesting experiment.